So yesterday we were working on 3 times 8 with multiplication, and my student Kiara said, quite frankly, she says, I don't remember what 3 times 8 is. And I said, fantastic, let's use this as a double and halving opportunity. And then it just went from there. So Jack, will you walk us through the double and halving of 3 times 8?
So we were working on 3 times 8 yesterday, and one of the students said, I don't know what 3 times 8 is. So we decided to make this number half of what it is and make this one double what it is, which gives us 6 times 4. These two things equal the same thing, which is pretty much a given, so we knew that we could just get it this way if we didn't recognize this one. But we didn't recognize 6 times 4 either, so we decided to make it even smaller and go 12, or bigger here and smaller here, and go 12 times 2. I think we knew 12 times 2, did we?
She didn't.
We didn't know 12 times 2.
She said, this doesn't help me either because I don't know what 12 times 2 is.
So we didn't know 12 times 2. So we went another step forward after this, after 12 times 2, getting 24 times 1. So we assumed that this was the most basic form of multiplication that we could teach them because our answer is literally right here. All of these equal 24.
And they all saw that. They were super excited. They're like, oh, we see it now.
They all clearly understood, but we realized after that we could keep doubling and we could keep halving. So
to be clear, we didn't realize that. Jack realized that. I didn't even realize that, but he did.
Yeah. Okay. So when we double this again, we get 48. Oh, that's a bad one. 48 and a half, which will still come out. All of these will still come out to 24. We then just went down the rabbit hole and went as far as we could until our end of our little math lab thing. So we had our
48
times 0.5. Can they see that? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then we kept going to 96 times a quarter, which still works. And then finally we did 192 times 0.125. All of these still equaling 24, excuse me.
Didn't know we could do that. And can I just interrupt one little bit to show them how we got half of 50, half of 0.5. I handed out quarters, and then they could clearly see that half would be 0.25. And then we used calculators to do half of 0.25, because he's the only one who knew what half of 0.25 is. I know it now. It's 0.125, right?
0.125, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then for the parents and grandparents and whoever's teaching, watching, we wrote that if in an equation, whenever A times B equals C, we can use what we were using as 2A times half B will still equal C. So as long as the numbers are going continuously halving and doubling in an equal fashion, then it will still turn out to C.
And Jack said that formulas are really on his brain because you're in physics right now and using a lot of formulas. So then that's how it went straight to the formula. And then I think you forgot to use the word that you used with the students yesterday. You said we could continue this for infinity. Like you could just keep going with this for infinity. And so we just wanted to share that with you, and maybe you can show your middle schoolers or even the 4th graders understood it after a bit of time. So we hope you enjoyed our double and halving lesson and Jack's very first math tutorial on our channel. And we want to thank you for being with us today.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Jack, so much. Goodbye. I'm Janine Matsuda. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget
to like and subscribe.